My current role in Telecom Malaysia is the Chief Network Officer for the group. But that effective 26th of August last month. But I was the EVP and CEO of the M1, and this is where we were doing a lot of innovative things for the company and also for the citizen of Malaysia. Well, after the trial in Putrajaya earlier this year, we continued to do a lot of things. I think one important thing that we are doing actually continue to work with our enterprise and government and public sector customers, try to understand their needs in various industry verticals, and we finally came up with 10 transformative solutions or smart solutions that we launched on the 21st and 22nd of August this year. Well, for the growth, interestingly, I personally believe that the future growth will come from the enterprise segment. This is the B2B type of business, and we are putting a lot of resources and investment to come up with industry vertical solutions. But on the consumer market, we believe that this is an evolution from the current broadband packages to new broadband packages, especially the fixed wireless broadband from 4G to 5G, where consumers will get higher speed, probably low latency, and they can use the access for games, for example. We have a lot of youth in Malaysia playing online games, participating in competition and so on. This is just an example for consumer market. But in the enterprise market or B2B, working with customers, we actually understand their needs, their requirements, and as mentioned earlier, we already launched 10 of these smart solutions, but we will not stop here. The team will continue to work with various customers in our market to come up with customized solutions for them. But some of these customized solutions can be applied for other customers in other verticals, for example. Well, whatever we do in Malaysia, for Malaysian market, I believe can be applied in other markets, probably with some customization and so on. Let me give you one example. We work on this solution called workforce management. We came up with a smart helmet. It's connected. It has a lot of sensor and communication devices. And my oil and gas vertical team had taken this smart helmet workforce management solution to Houston during the oil and gas conference there. And they also took this solution to Middle East recently. And potential partners in Qatar, in Kuwait, actually keen to buy or work with us to offer a similar solution in their market. Well, we are incumbent. We are a government-linked company in Malaysia. 70% of Telecom Malaysia is still owned by government-linked investment companies, and we are participating in every initiative that being mooted and promoted by government, like the Digital Nation, which covers the digital society, digital business, and also the digital government. So we are playing an enabler role for this initiative. Government also has got this initiative called National Fiberization and Connectivity Plan, and Telecom Malaysia wishes to play a big role in this initiative. The technology that will be employed or will roll out covers both fiber, wireless, 4G and 5G, and also enhancement of existing copper. There's another interesting initiative undertaken by government. It's called Industry Forward. It's an IR 4.0 based initiative, and this is where when we actually come up with smart solution, we'll be employing IoT technology, the sensor, the backhaul, and also the cloud, which has the data lake, the processor, and also the intelligence, the AI, and also the machine learning. So, I mean, we'll continue to play this big role in Malaysia to enable Malaysians to transform digitally. Well, on the panel session just now, I was actually sharing our own experience. It's a transformation journey that we went through at TM1, my previous organization, for the last 2.5 years. There are a few key learnings during this journey. Customer and people, our own people. These are, I believe, two important elements that every organization needs to address. Customer need to understand their needs, work with them. We use design thinking, for example, to work with our customers, because customers, they want to transform, but they're not sure on the what, on the how, on the when. So when we do a design thinking workshop, they are very open. They share with us what are the pain points, and agree with them on low-hanging fruits that we can implement and get results quickly. On the people, the TM1 is an organization with 4,500 people with various backgrounds. To me, that is the most challenging part, to consolidate the team, provide them with the direction, the guidance, common direction, common guidance for everyone. Well, the challenge is not everyone having the right pace, the right understanding, and so on. So what you can do, actually, you create a small team that you believe that can, believe in your direction, believe in what you want to do, and get this team to implement and execute the strategy. When we succeed, the rest of the people will come and join you. I've seen this in many organizations that I worked for in the last 30 years. I'm surprised that we had a full house just now, and they were questioning us during our session. It showed that the audience are interested in the subject, and probably this is something that we should do next year and year after. Not looking into the technology so much, but looking into the market, looking into customer behavior, and understand how technology to support them. Our job actually to monetize technology. As service provider, we don't invent technology. We use technology and we work with customers, and internally we figure out how to monetize this technology, how to make money from this technology. But at the same time, we help customers to innovate, to transform, and help them to run their business, either to generate more revenue or to save their costs.